Stars Learning TV. Hi kids, let's match the alphabets by matching the dots and make the amazing new objects with me. Let's match the alphabet to make the amazing dinosaur.
Letters dancing all around.
Match the A,
every day.
B,
From
C,
we'll laugh and
D,
see how special they can be.
E,
Every letter
F,
has a charm.
G,
Come and sing with me.
H,
A is for
I,
amazing,
J,
shining like the sun.
K,
Always bright and
L,
cheerful. Number 1 for
M,
B
N,
is for brave, standing tall and
O,
strong, helping friends
P,
and doing right all
Q,
day long.
R, S,
C is
T,
for caring,
U,
kind in every
V,
way,
W,
love and
X,
smiles each day.
Y,
Hey,
Z.
D is for daring.
Now let's match the letters together to make the cute little teddy bear. Match the A to B, B to C,
E is for
C
energetic,
to D,
jumping up and down.
D to E,
Of life and laughter, never
E to
wearing
F,
a frown.
F to G, G to H,
H
to I to J,
kindness and
M
joy
to
that
N,
never ends.
R to S,
G is for
S
gentle,
to T,
soft and sweet.
T to U,
Kind words make
U to
life
V,
complete.
V to W,
H
W
is
to
for
X,
happy, smiling,
X to Y,
again,
Y to C.
bright, sunshine far and wide.
Now J to K, K to L,
For intelligence,
L to M,
learning something
N
new.
to O, O to P, P to Q, Q to R.
J is for joyful, laughing all
Now let's match the alphabets to make the cute little duck.
through a happy
Match the
song.
A to B,
K is for
B to C,
kindness, helping
C to
everyone,
D,
making
D
the
to E,
world more
E to
fun.
F, F to G,
L is for
G to
loving,
H, H to
warm
I,
and true,
I to J,
sharing
J to F,
hugs with
L to
me
M,
and
M
you.
to N,
It's a M
N
is
to
for
O,
magical,
O to P,
full of
P to Q,
dreams.
Q to I,
Nothing's ever
R
as
to
it
S,
seems.
S to T, T to U,
For nice,
U to V,
light, and
V to
fair,
W, W to
showing
X,
others
X to Y, Y to C.
O is for optimistic. See
Now let's match the lowercase alphabet to make the hand.
smiles you
Match the A, B, C,
is for playful,
D,
running all around,
E,
laughing
F,
at every silly sound.
G, H,
Q is
I,
ready
J,
to go, learning fast,
K,
stealing the show.
L,
R is for responsible,
M,
doing what is right,
N,
helping others
O,
with all your might.
P,
For smart thinking
Q,
every day,
R,
finding clever ways
S,
to play.
T,
Is for thankful,
U,
grateful,
V,
and true, saying thank
W,
you,
X,
just like you.
Y, Z.
U is for unique, special.
Let's match the small
in
alphabets
your
to make the
way.
dinosaur again.
Is quite
A,
like you
B,
today.
C, D,
Is
E,
vibrant,
F,
colorful,
G,
bright, shining
H,
like a
I,
rainbow.
J,
W
L,
for wonderful,
M,
full of
N,
cheer,
O,
bringing
P,
happiness far
Q,
and near.
R,
X is for
S,
exciting,
T,
full of
U,
surprise,
V,
adventure,
W,
shining
X,
in
Y,
your
Z.
eyes. Y is
Well,
for
kids,
heart,
good job.
playful and free.
Great job, kids. To learn ABCs with all these amazing words. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.